Yo, yo, yo. See if this works, guys. Let's see if this works. Should work. I'm not showing anything wrong on my end. So I don't know what's going on here, man. I don't know what's going on. Usually I can see like there's some like lag spikes or something. Right now, it's not showing any lag spikes, man. It's not showing any lag spikes. What's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on? Let me know if you can see me, man. I don't know what's going on right now. Everything else works fine. Everyone else in here, no problem with the internet. So I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know what's going on, man. Yo, what's going on, Brian? What's going on, Bully? What's going on, Albert? Hey, sometimes it's what the cookie crumbles, man. YouTube doesn't want me, man. YouTube doesn't want me on here, bro. RS did say, yo, thought you had gone off early because it was bearish. No, man. I don't care if it's bearish or bullish. You know me. I don't care if it's bearish or bullish. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, guys, but we're going to jump back in. Whatever we were talking about before, all right? There's this. It's Dope said your stream wasn't stuck for me. Interesting, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. What's going on, JW? Savvy attacked me? I guess so, man. I got attacked by someone. Someone attacking me. I don't know what's going on there. But anyways, we were talking about the 3-day. We sort of said that the 3-day channel broke to the downside. That wasn't very good, man. That wasn't very good. That's not what we wanted to see. So price action looking like it might follow, right? We had this channel coming up like this. Looks like we might get that that break to the downside on that as well. So let's see what happens, man. Now, I know people are saying, oh, there's no, this isn't capitulation. Right. It's not yet. It's not yet. Not yet capitulation. It's definitely not yet. For anyone that's just coming to the stream now, right? The charts. I would say the charts are looking kind of shady, right? The charts are definitely looking shady. The charts are not looking the way that the bulls wanted to. But everyone's bearish, man. I mean, I will say this, man. Let me put my McDonald's hat back on. It's kind of offensive that it's not on right now because I am streaming from the McDonald's mop room. Right? If it's what you have to do in a bear market, you have to work at McDonald's and sort of work from the mop room. That's the only time we can get the stream. Let me get my McDonald's hat. But yeah, the charts are not looking great. All right. Where's my McDonald's hat, man? Where is the McDonald's hat? This is ridiculous. McDonald's hat. What is this? I don't want a French fry head. Yo! I don't want a French fry head. I don't want a McNugget head. McDub's hat. I don't know what McDonald's hat is, man. It's gone. That's interesting. But yeah, man. Charts looking bearish. But everyone's bearish. Everyone is freaking bearish, bro. You got everyone bearish. The only person not bearish is George right now. What does that tell us? The herd is bearish. I'm not going to say we're going to bounce to the upside because the herd is bearish, but the herd is freaking bearish. The charts look like crap and the herd is bearish. What does that mean? All right? What does that mean? Does it give us any clues on what's going to come next? Here's what I'll say, man. Here's what I'll say about a couple different things. If we go to some of the long-term charts, all right, we are sitting right on top of a very, very important level where if we break lower and we close lower on the weekly, it's not going to look, I would say right now, it's not going to look great, all right? You don't want to break back below the 0.5 Fibonacci on sort of like the Fibonacci retracement, right? From the March 2020 lows down here to our bull market highs, back up at 69K in November. I always think 69K is funny, man. Of course it went to 69K. It would have been funny if it went to 69,420. I've always said that, man. Why did it not just go up another $420? That would have been perfect. Come on, market maker. You're screwing everything up. But we don't want to break the 0.5 Fibonacci here. If we break the 0.5 Fibonacci, the 618, man, the 618 on the weekly is the next one, and that's back down towards 29K. I don't want to say we're going to 29K again. Just, yeah, I'm not going to say we're going to say that. There's another thing I'm looking at, which is the 100-week moving average. I think the 100-week moving average could be crucial for us to hold, right? Very, very crucial for us to hold the 100-week moving average, which is this blue moving average coming up right here. We don't want to break that. In history, when we've broken that on a close, it hasn't been the best time, right? Obviously, March 2020, big bonk to the downside, right? From about 8,000 all the way back down to 3,000. When we broke it back in, say November 2018, we went from 6,000 all the way down to 3,000, right? If you go back further in time, When we broke it down here back in August 2014, we went from $500 down to $150. Just going based off the past, that hasn't been a good thing. That's we've been talking about that the last couple of days, as that we're approaching this 100-week moving average. We don't want to break that, man. We don't want to break that. What's up, LB? LB no bearish until lower low 634.3. Yeah, I mean, let's continue to make higher lows. As of right now, we still have higher lows, but yeah, I mean, we still have higher lows, but we are breaking that macro pattern, and we can't say that the daily doesn't look a little shady right now with the bearish engulfing and breaking the bear flag. I think you'd be a fool to say that the charts don't look a little shady, right? Let me know in the chat. You guys think the charts look a little shady? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Or we're just being honest here, but I will say that everyone's bearish. Everyone that I've seen, like crypto Twitter is going nuts right now. The fear and greed index is going to be negative. Okay? You don't even want to hear what Bob's doing downstairs, man. The neighbor is getting pissed. No! You gotta be freaking kidding me! I invested all my money in Shiba! It's down 90% from the highs! Shit! My mom's gonna kill me! I haven't paid rent in 3 months! I'm not gonna be able to pay it forever at this rate! Shit! Oh god, I think I just shit my pants! Shit! I'm so afraid! Oh my god! I should have took out that credit card! Shit! Fuck! I gotta find some way to make money! Just fucking Bitcoin! You son of a freaking Bitcoin! I think that's how everyone's feeling right now, right? Everyone's pissed at Bitcoin, right? Because they don't want their altcoins to drop, right? Everyone's afraid. So let's be honest, man. We're all in the same boat. Anyone that's holding crypto right now, we're all in the same boat. Let's not forget that, okay? Prices are going down right now, but I told you guys yesterday, be prepared for both scenarios. Be prepared for Bitcoin to dump. Be prepared for Bitcoin to go up. Make sure you have cash on the sidelines. Make sure you have stable coins on the sidelines to be able to take advantage of a major drop. Okay, now we haven't quite seen a major drop yet. We're still just generally in our range. Yes, we dropped from our channel, but we're still generally in our crab range, right? We still haven't broken down yet. We're still in our crab range, but if we do break the crab range, this is on total market cap. We kind of said if we do break the crab range, could be seeing some lower prices, man. So let's see where we close. If we close at the weekly lows, I want to get a weekly close at like 1.6 trillion on total market cap. If we break that, it's probably not looking too great, man. Creighton said the boat's sinking. Let me see. What's up, Elliot? Be prepared for most scenarios, man. Moving back in with my mom, said beef. I don't know if you want to live with my mom, man. She make you do a bunch of chores. She make you do things you don't want to do, man. You want to take out the trash? It sounds like I'm complaining about taking out the trash. I'm sort of just kidding. Mom, if you're listening, it's okay. It's okay. I'll take out the trash. I will take out the trash. I will do the dishes. I'm going to have to move back in too, man. At this rate, I'm moving back in too. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. We got to say here, Jordan is cute and BTC dumps. Me too, Pratish. You're very cute too, my friend. Very cute too. Very cute too. No, I'm just saying I'm not afraid like everyone is. Like, here's the thing with me. If the charts look bearish, I'm going to be honest and say they look bearish. Doesn't mean I'm selling. I'm not a panic seller. All right. I'm what I buy is what I hold for the long term. I don't care about price short term. Okay. I do not give two flying F's about price short term. All right. Here's what I'll say though. The charts do look a little bearish. If we go back to the upside, it doesn't really affect me because I'm still holding. If we go to the downside, that's what I said, man. Just be ready to buy the dip. That's really what it comes down to right now. And I've said that the major level that I don't know if Bitcoin gets here, but if Bitcoin gets to anywhere even close to 27K, I'm going balls to the wall, man. I'm going balls to the wall. Really anywhere between 22K and 27K, I'm going to go balls to the wall because traditionally that has been the golden opportunity to buy Bitcoin. And if you bought in those ranges, you would make life-changing money, man. I mean, you go back in time. We've talked about this. I don't know if Bitcoin's going there, but I'm just a hypothetical, right? Because I would say nothing on the charts. I want to give you guys some support. Like, oh, Bitcoin's going to bounce from here. Like, you might get some short-term bounce, right? The hourly RSI is oversold, right? Hourly stock RSI is oversold. 4-hour stock RSI is oversold. 4-hour RSI is oversold. So you might get some short-term rally back to the upside, right? Just to sort of retest these levels. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin actually bounced short-term back up to around the 37.8 range, just to reset some of these indicators and then did go back down. Wouldn't be surprised at all, but you know, a retrace would make some sense in the, you know, the hourly, the 4-hour. I'm really not talking short-term here. I think you can get a short-term bounce back to the upside to retest these lows as resistance. But if you did get that move to the downside, man, here's what I'll say. If you do accumulate in this range, historically, that has been life-changing, man. I mean, right now it's between 27K and 22K, right? If you go back in time, if you bought in between there on the March crash, that would have been right around 5,500. That would have been life-changing. You bought back here between those levels, you would have been buying between 3K and 4K back in the 2019 bear market, right? Before then, you back down here at $195, $220 at the bottom of the 2015 bear market. So I'll say, man, make sure you have stuff on the sidelines. You never know what can happen in this market, and you really don't. So make sure you guys are ready. That's all I'll say, man. Steve said, so you're out of fiat? Never go all in. Make sure you have something on the sidelines, man. Never go all in. DCA, man. A lot of people think DCA just means like, oh, I'm going to go balls to the wall and buy everything right now. No, DCA means you buy a little bit at that price, okay? You never go all in. What's up, Shane? Falling wedge is the bottom indicator. Shane, I think we already broke the falling wedge. If we close, I mean, we got to see where we close. We got 27 minutes until the close, but if we close below this teal line here, anywhere really below 37K, it's not looking too good. I'll say it's not looking too good for BTC in the short term, at least. Here's what I'll say, man. I mean, I don't know if there's any bulls left in the chat. I think everyone's bearish or crabbish right now. Are there any bulls left in the chat? Does anyone know? Is there any bulls left in the chat? Here's what I'll say, man. Vikings! All the bulls that are left in this mirror land, we have been slaughtered. We have been pushed back. We have no land left. We are desperate at this point. There's only 5, 6, 7 of us left. We must push the bears back and close back above 37K to get back in our falling wedge. If we close below that, it's not looking good for the rest of us. And I might flee. And I might get kicked in the nuts by the bears. So do not let me down. Push them back and fight. Let me see the swords and shields in the chat. No, I don't know if there's actually any bulls left in the chat. I'm not talking about long term. Obviously, I'm still a long-term bull, guys. Nothing will change me as a long-term bull. But I don't know if there's any short-term bulls left in the chat. Is there any short-term bulls? All right, I should have specified time range here. Any short-term bulls? What's up, LB? Nope. LB, no bears until 34.3. Appreciate that, LB. Sir Dude, you're the absolute stud, man. Sir Dude said no volume, man. Where's Mike when you need him? Mike is dead, man. We got to bring Mike back. Shane said falling wedge, bottom indicator. Thank you again, Shane. You're a stud, bro. You're an absolute stud. No, but I mean, honestly, if we want to stay in that wedge, we want to get it closed back above 37K. In all honesty, right? I'm not just making that up. You want to get it closed back above 37K in all honesty, man. That's what we'll say from that. Enthusiasm in the chat. I love the enthusiasm. Thank you, Bathwater. I love when I see enthusiasm through these times, guys, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin's going back down. But I'll say this, like, can I say one thing?
Rant alert.
It does not matter, okay? It does not matter one bit what the price of Bitcoin is today. If you are a long-term holder and you're already holding and you're not planning on selling, who cares if Bitcoin's at 30K right now? Who cares if Bitcoin's at 60K right now? If you have a target and you're not planning on selling till that target, who gives a flying fuck what the price of Bitcoin is in the short term? It could drop to 10K. I don't give a flying F as long as it hits my target at some point. I don't give a shit. It could be at 60K right now, 15K right now. There we go. 15K right now, 5K. Do you hear the laughter over here? No one cares about the price. No one does. 5K, 10K, 15K, 20K, 25K. It does not matter what it is if you're already holding and you're holding it to a certain price. I will say that again, man. It does not matter. God damn, man. I think sometimes we get so caught up in the short-term price action. It really doesn't matter. Now, if you're looking to trade, obviously that's different, right? If you're looking to time the bottoms, that's different. If you're looking to sell and then buy back lower, that's different. But for everyone just holding, like myself, it does not matter what the price action is in the short term. Okay? Let's make that clear very quick. All right? I'm speaking for my long-term holders out here. Because sometimes we lose sight on what the thing is. All right? So, just keep that in mind. Bully said 5K. Again, it's true, right? If it hits 100K at some point, who cares what it goes in the short term? Jordan's got a pet seagull. What's up, Wolf and Bear? No, but in all honesty, I'm not talking for the traders out there. Obviously, if you're looking to time the market, I guess it's a little bit different, right? What else we got? What's up, LB? I mean, we talked about this yesterday. I mean, if you're crying... Can I do a quick rant alert real quick, man?
Rant alert.
And I don't mean to offend anyone. All right, I really don't. But if you watch crypto content every single day and you're pissed today, I know on my stream, we always talk about the downside scenarios, man. We might be bullish some days, but there's always a possibility we go to the downside. Okay? We always say be prepared for both scenarios. Nothing is 100%. And if you're prepared for both scenarios, it shouldn't matter what happens because you had both prepared in your mind. Okay? If you watch anyone else, everyone else is bearish right now, man. Everyone else is bearish. You should have been prepared for this. There's not many people telling you Bitcoin's gonna go up right now. Okay? There's not many people telling you Bitcoin is gonna go up in a bull market. Okay? I said yesterday, before they even had this dump, I don't think Bitcoin's going to 100K, 200K this year. I don't think it's doing it. Absolutely not. But, I mean, be prepared for both scenarios. Come on, man.
Rant alert.
There should be no reason that you're more upset today than you were yesterday. If anything, you should be happy because we're finally out of that stupid, boring freaking channel that we've been in for 4 months that is making my eyes bleed watching paint dry, man. Seriously. Seriously. Let's get back to it. Let's get a little Vitalik clapping in here. Let's get it, man. We want to get close above 37K, though, preferably. For all the bulls. For short-term price action, right? We want to get it close above 37K, right? But George told me. Listen, man, we're not going to pick on George. I'm not picking on George today. George is probably having a bad day today, man. George is probably having a bad day. His comment section is probably filled up to the brim with trolls and just salty people. Listen, I'm not going to pick on George today. I feel bad for George today, okay? I do. I usually don't feel bad for people, but I feel bad for George today. Rant win? Thank you, man. All right, let's do a rant. Let's do a rant rating. That was like I don't even know. I was ranting about like 8 things there. I don't even know what was going on. Rant rating, it's probably going to be low because everyone's kind of salty today. It is what it is. I mean, it should be the fear and salt rating, not the fear and greed. Fear and salt rating. Rant rating 1 to 4. 1, terrible rant. 4, great rant. Let's freaking get it. What do we got for the rating? What do we got, bro? What do we got? Can you pick on BitBoy? I can pick on BitBoy for sure. He's very, very he's BitBoy, man. You know what I said today? BitBoy reminds me of Peter Griffin. Doesn't he? You guys watch Family Guy? Like, BitBoy is literally Peter Griffin. Okay? I mean, that's literally who he is Peter Griffin. I always wonder, like, Hey, this is not to say anything bad. I watch BitBoy streams. I like BitBoy streams. I think they're entertaining. Not because I think like I take for what he says seriously, because you shouldn't take what anyone says seriously. But I watch BitBoy streams and like I literally look at him like Peter Griffin, man. And I always think, does he think that people actually take him seriously, or does he know that people only watch him because he's a character? I wonder if he actually thinks that people are like, oh, I'm gonna listen to this guy. I'm gonna listen to this guy. I wonder what actually goes on there. You guys shouldn't listen to me either. I'm not saying listen to me. You definitely shouldn't listen to me either. Don't get me wrong. But, yeah, I mean, you get the point. Butt Boy. Yep. Not the look. It's just the act, man. Just the act. Is this dude still hating on Savvy after he was proven right? How is Savvy proven right, man? In all honesty, I'm not trying to be like a dick. How is Savvy proven right? We're at 36K. Savvy thinks we're going to like 6K. We got a long way to go, man. We got a long way to go. Right? Savvy's always bearish. Of course he's going to be right at some point, man. I mean, listen, I'll tell you guys this. Once again, would you rather be a bull or bear in crypto? You'd always rather be a bull, okay? For a long term. Right? I'll say this again. Savvy was calling for 1K right here. Savvy was calling for 3K. Savvy was saying that there's a fake bull market, fake bull market, fake bull market, fake. And up here, okay, oh, he's bearish, right? And then down here, I mean, he's calling for lower prices. Short, laddering short, laddering short, laddering short, laddering short. Okay, I mean, and then he flipped bullish right here. You guys remember he flipped bullish. Okay? So really the only time in the last 2.5 years, he was only right up here. Other than that, he was wrong the entire time. Okay? And then we started to drop, and then he was calling his Amazon fractal. Okay? So we'll see if he's right. Something tells me he's going to be wrong again, but, we'll find out. We'll find out, man. Just don't forget. Do not forget. People often forget because a lot of people are new to crypto. They don't remember what people said in the past, man. They don't remember at all. So just remember what people said. Savvy has the Satoshi. Sure. Fahid said this market's making me hungry. Go eat some meat, man. Go DCA into some meat coin. Is there any meat coins? Cow coin? No. Chicken coin? I'm not going to say a dog. I would never eat a dog. Would you guys eat a dog? Would you guys eat a dog? I don't know. Flips bullish at the top. He did. I'm not making that up. He did. You can go back and look. He'll never admit it, but he did. All right. I'm not going to say I'm perfect either, guys. I'm not perfect. Trust me. What you know about me is if I do something crappy, I'll crap on myself. A lot of people don't do that in this space. A lot of people always try to spin that they were right. I don't try to spin that they were right, man. The key is being right at the best times, okay? The best time to be right was down here, okay? And I'm not going to pat myself on the back, but I was, okay? Who knows? The best time to be right might be up here too. We don't know yet though, right? So let's wait and see. If I'm wrong, I'll take the L. It is what it is. Do I think we can go lower right now? Abso-freaking-lutely, I think we can go lower. And we sort of talked about that. Total 3 for altcoins. Altcoins are hanging on a thread, guys. So same type of deal. If we get a weekly close below anywhere between like 643 billion on altcoins on the weekly, that'll be the lowest low we've had in a long time. So we're still in our crab range as of right now, but if that breaks, could be going into rip land. We don't want to go into rip land for altcoins because rip land for altcoins could be a little bit shady. Could be a little bit shady, man. That's funny. I'm mostly on an animal diet right now. I'm trying to too, man. I just love carbs, bro. I love carbs. It's hard for me not to eat rice and pasta and bread. And carbs are obviously good for you. They give you energy. But I try to mostly stick to proteins and fats. Mostly, but you obviously need carbs have their importance too. You need carbs in your diet. You can't go... Anyone trying to do the keto diet, we talked about this. Don't do the keto diet, man. That's not sustainable. All right, other than that, I mean, altcoins are pooped the bed today, we know. But I'll say, at the end of the day, if you missed it earlier, we broke out of the crab range, man. We finally broke out of that channel, it looks like, unless we get some massive pump on the close today. Finally bumped out of that bear flag. So RIP to Crab for now. For now. We don't know if we'll go back in. But for now, I think we cracked the shells, and I think we're out of that range, man. Which is really, really, really freaking nice. The only thing I can't stand about this, and I've sort of said, if Bitcoin dropped, I would rather Bitcoin drop than stay in that freaking channel. So I'm happy. I'm really, really happy. And the only thing I can't stand is this guy's face. Me and Savvy! What's up? Let's see. Just a little cops? No, man. You could be eating as many carbs as you want. It's all about calories. You need fiber and protein to stay full? Facts. Jordan is capping. I'm not capping. If you guys take for what I say, a lot of people take for what they say like verbatim. Okay? I've been saying that if Bitcoin dropped, I would be happier if Bitcoin dropped than stay in the stupid crab market. I can go back and find you times. Rodney said Jordan is not real. Of course, Rodney wanted me to see that. So he said Jordan is not realistic. He's a moon boy. Tells people what they want to hear. Doesn't even own BTC. What are you talking about, Rodney? I've been talking about lower prices the whole stream today. Rodney's trolling me, man. Rodney loves to troll. Rodney and Clint love to troll me, man. They're like the trolls that love me, and they won't admit it. Gotta fake out right back into the crab range and go sideways forever. Don't tell me that, Fabian. Please, man. I'm so sick of that range. Like, you got me buying NFTs. I was so bored of that range. You got Jordan buying NFTs. That's how you know. That's how you know how bored I was, man. Protein. Facts, Daniel. Daniel would know. Daniel's a big freaking guy, man. I would not mess with Dan, bro. Dan would kick my ass. Let's see. Who else would kick my ass? Who thinks they could kick my ass in the chat, by the way? Who think they could kick my ass in the chat? Let me know in the chat if you think you could kick my ass. I'm curious. Why I'm asking this, I don't know. We can still be friends. If you think you can kick my ass, we can still be friends. Okay? I don't get salty over that stuff. How much do I bench? 80 pounds, man. I'm like BB. Here's my guy. Hold up. Here's my guy. Bitcoin's so bearish. I'm gonna bench. Look at. Bitcoin's so bad. I'm always right. The best channel in the interwebs. I'm always freaking right. Guys, if anyone's credible to talk about crypto, it's me. Okay? It's me, not you, who's been in crypto, you freaking idiots in the chat. All these low IQ idiots in the chat. You guys are so low IQ. Like, I don't even understand. Like, I keep saying Bit Squad, but I call the whole Bit Squad low IQ. You guys are all low IQ. All my followers, everyone's low IQ. Okay? Freaking Christ, man. You're just mad that you can't bench as much as me, man. Okay? You're just mad. Oh, man. But I watch WWE. That's WWE and MMA, so I totally wreck you. Let's see. It's not even that show I was watching. Was going to be nice tonight. Rodney, you can be mean, man. It's okay. You can be mean. Man. Who's ready for lower prices, though? A lot of people think they can mess me up. I doubt that 20% of the chat can beat me in a fight. I'll say maybe 20% of you guys can beat me in a fight. Maybe 20%. 20%. I'll give you guys 20%. There's some of you guys that I know could beat my ass. Like Dan could beat my ass. I think DJ. Someone tells me DJ could beat my ass. But yeah, there's someone. I think Clint. Clint's got like that old man strength that would just absolutely break me like a pretzel. So I wouldn't mess with Clint. But yeah, a lot of you guys. Case Savvy does real TA. You do YouTube characters. Damn it. I know you love me, man. You can't troll me. You can't troll me like that. Savvy does real TA. Okay, so you're gonna tell me Savvy sits up here and goes like this. Okay, you're gonna tell me this is TA. Hold on, guys. I could do Elliott waves too. Elliott waves is not TA. Hold on. All right, you gotta tell me this. Oh man, so yeah, Bitcoin's gonna go to here. 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave, 4 wave, 5 wave. That's what Bitcoin's gonna do. You guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is in a 5 wave Elliott wave. Okay, clear 5 wave. All right. To the upside was a 1, 2, 3 wave, and when we broke to the downside. Okay, clear Elliott wave to the downside. Anyone could do some stupid made-up Elliott wave theory to the downside. Come on, man. It's not hard. Elliott wave is the biggest BS I've ever seen for an indicator. Some people, it might work for some people, but clearly it doesn't work for Savvy. Clearly. Savvy thinks Bitcoin is Amazon. Real TA is moving lines. Facts. Now you know what, Fabian. KC, what's up, man? Can you look at Casper? Just for you, bro. I would only look at Casper for you and no one else. Okay? Casper. Let's see. Let's see, man. I mean, you're still at the lows, bro. I mean, here's the thing. Altcoins. All right? Altcoins, if they break this 5.5 cent level, a lot of altcoins are at, their summer lows or... I mean, quite frankly, this one looks like to be at its lows. So if this breaks, I mean, you're kind of in what we like to call black screen territory to the downside. And that's not what you want to see for alts, man. It's not what you want to see for alts. I would say, I mean, it's hard to say because you don't really have any support below that. You have one wick that you can recover right here at about 5 cents. But after that... man, it's not looking too great. It's not looking too great. You don't really have any bullish divergence either. So I could see that Casper could even drop lower than that. So just be careful on this one, man. And it's mostly about the daily. I'm not worried about the 4-hour time frame. And the 4 hour is probably going to get... a lot of these coins dropped a lot today. A lot of these ones will probably have a short-term retrace. Like this one has slight bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Bitcoin, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin has a slight retrace to the upside, but daily, I think daily's got some more room to run down. But short term, could have a short term retrace back to the 50 again, and then maybe retrace to the downside. But you definitely don't want to break those lows, bro. I can overhead BitBoy's max bench for reps. He's a poop nugget. True. Brian said if viewers followed Savvy's TA, they're in the money. If viewers followed someone else's, they'd be in the red. Bro, if you followed my advice, you would have been buying Cardano at 3 cents, 5 cents. Okay? You would have been buying Chainlink at $1. But that's not very true, Brian. That's not very true if we're being honest, man. If you would have followed my channel from the beginning, there's a lot of altcoins you'd be up 20x. 10x. Okay? Just saying, my man. I love you, Brian. But you know I'll troll you right back if you troll me, man. I'll troll you right back. We can hear that horn. True. Any step-in invites? Dude, I don't have any step-in invites. If I had a step-in invite, I would do it. I got none. Step-in's great, too. If you guys are interested in something during like these times where it's kind of like boring, do your research on it. Like I'm not gonna shill Step-in. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but it's really cool. I'm having a lot of fun with it, and it kind of gives me something else to do. In the crypto space still. So it's nice. Step-in's really fun, man. If you guys, it's actually, I mean, right now it's profitable as hell. Who knows if it's going to last down the line, but right now, it's great, man. It's great. Sounds just like him. What's up? Fifi? This could be a fake out. That's key. Oh, what else we got? I mean, all coins are all coins, like we said. Maldrift said RKO. It was the RKO for Mal did. I mean, all coins, pretty much what all coins did is they retraced the move that we had yesterday. So all coins obviously did well today, or yesterday, and then kind of just retraced all the move, right? That's kind of what happened. RKO. I swear RKO was on here, bro. I swear. RKO. Guess it's not on here, bro. We can look at it over on CoinMarketCap. Let's see. RKO. You trolling me, man? You must be trolling me on RKO, bro. Don't you need like 2,500 to get started on stepping? I think the floor price is 13 Sol right now, which I think is like, if I can do my math correctly, is like 1,100. I think that's the floor price for a sneaker right now. But I mean, right now, I mean, I'll tell you guys this. Like yesterday, I made about $110 walking for 20 minutes. Today, I made about $120 walking for 20 minutes. You know what I mean? So you make, if you get in and you get a decent sneaker, you can make your money back pretty quickly. I'm already about halfway back, making my money back of my initial investment. So obviously, I don't know if it's gonna last long term, but do your own research on it before you get in. Don't listen to me, obviously. Andrew, that's so true, man. Just because your woman makes you go on stepping or wherever walks, don't try to push her late. Oh, jeez, man. I wish. That sounds like work, said Rodney. It does. I got a bunch of green Satoshi tokens straight up. Sneakers attributes. I got 3 sneakers. 3 sneakers, man. All right. Other than that, man, I don't know. We're kind of chill, man. I mean, listen, we got the daily close coming up in 2 minutes, so we'll wait for the daily close. We'll definitely wait for the daily close. Like I said, guys, I think short term, sort of said earlier, a short term retrace makes some sense for BTC just to kind of reset some indicators here. But we got to see, the daily doesn't look great. Like we said, the daily does not look great, man. We got to be in all honesty. That's my honest opinion right now. It was looking fine when we were in our range, right? We had a falling wedge, but sometimes, right, the cookie doesn't crumble the way you want it to. That's why you got to be ready for both scenarios. The cookie did not crumble the way we wanted it to right here. It definitely didn't crumble. It crumbled all over our souls, actually. All over the souls. No, not Solana. No pun intended. It definitely didn't pull over all our Solana souls. Dale said Bitcoin's dead. There we go. 1 rant rating. Holy moly, you guys are crazy today. Let me say this. Are you... Let me ask this. I can't ask, are you bullish or bearish? Because that's so arbitrary. Man. Everything looks bad? True. I mean, stocks, the whole thing. But during the most fun to watch streamer, Savvy is shit. No, Savvy's not shit, man. He's not shit. He's just. I mean, I'm not gonna listen. I'm not gonna call Savvy names, okay? I'm not a name caller. I keep it strictly crypto, okay? If I talk about someone, I keep it strictly crypto. We don't get personal, okay? Savvy's probably a super cool guy off the camera. Do I agree with what he says? No, absolutely not. Okay, now you'll probably have people in the chat saying Savvy's an idiot. I mean, if they want to think that, it's all good. It's all good. Crumbled all over my chest. All over the chest. Ronnie said it's going to be okay. Don't panic, sell. I agree. At this point, it doesn't make sense, man. Have a long-term outlook. It's going to be all right, man. It's going to be all right. It's like, it's one of those things where you don't understand it now, but I'll say this again. Like, you can compare these times. Like, we're sitting right on top of the 100-week moving average right now, right? if we go back to say 2018, where we were sitting right on top of the 100-week moving average before we plummeted. Listen, man, if you were holding Bitcoin at 5,700 back in 2018, you would be golden now, right? That would have been an awesome entry for the 2020 bull market, okay? It's all in hindsight. In hindsight, it all comes back 2020, right? No pun intended. It all comes back 2020. You would have been super happy at a $5,700 entry in 2018. Fast forwarding 2 years, right? You'd have been super happy. You'd be like, hell yeah, my average is 5,700. Let's freaking go. Now, obviously, the price dropped about 50%. The price dropped 50% down to the 200-week moving average, right? It's not fun. It's not fun to see it drop 50%. I'm not saying we're going to drop 50% from here, but just to give you an example, all right? You got to have a longer-term outlook. Right now, we're kind of in the same situation. We're hovering on the 100-week. If we drop to the 200-week, I'm willing to bet that 36K is going to look like kind of like how 6K looked back in 2018. All right? You might not realize that now. You might not believe that now. But I'm willing to bet. You go to at least 2024, 2025 rolls around, 36K is going to be a steal. And you might not believe that now. That's why I believe in just holding and dollar cost averaging, because you never know what position is going to be a good position. Okay? And that's why obviously have money on the sidelines too, in case you do see something like this. Have money on the sidelines. I'll always keep money on the sidelines to buy the 200-week moving average in case we drop there, because that's the golden opportunity. That's like the FU, I bought the 200-week moving average. Always have money on the sidelines. But hey, that's all I'll say about that, man. That's all I'll say about that. I'll move on from there. No shots going to zero. The close is in. Do the close and call the stream. Do you need a producer? Roddy, I don't need no producer, man. If you divorced Eve, who are you married to now? No one, man. Because I ain't doing it ever again. Never.
Nope.
In 2022, listen, man. 2022, you're asking for it. Oh, the sounds aren't working, man. All right, 36.5. So, yeah, man. Anderson said, nope, yep. Just for the short term. That nope reminds me of Rich Piana. Urine. All right, the close. My bad. Oh, man. That close is not good, guys. That close is not good. Back down to the downside. We broke below our falling wedge. We broke below our rising bearish flag. But it's okay. We're going to go down with the ship. And we will come back up the other side. We will sink all the way down to the bottom of the ocean. All the way down to the bottom of the ocean, guys. We're going all the way down. But we will bounce back up. We will bounce back up. Okay? There will be air left in the tank. And we will go all the way down and bounce back up. Have patience. We are going down with the ship. Okay? I'm just messing around. I'm sort of just messing around. Fear and greed? Oh, God. All right. Before we look at the fear and greed, guys, don't cheat. What do you think the fear and greed is at right now? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Don't cheat, okay? What do you think the fear and greed is going to be at right now? Let me know in the chat. Vivi? More blood. More blood, man. There goes the wedge. Rodney said 22. I think Rodney cheated, man. 18. 5, 16, 22, 15, said Mr. Hart. Okay, Mr. Hart, I see you. I see you, bro. 15, 20. Swamp Witch said 16. Terry said 14. Nico said 17. Teju said 22. Trevor said 22. I'm seeing a lot of 22s, which makes me think people cheated. It's probably 22. All right, let's see. Let's go over here. Let's refresh. See what we got, man. What the hell is this? What is this fear and greed ad? Lift with us? Enjoy endless rides at night. What is this? I've never searched this. You guys know the fear and greed ads always show stuff that I searched. I don't even know what this is. Enjoy endless rides for, just 10 grand. You know, just drop 10 grand in the beginning of a recession. Yeah, just do it. Mac Wilson. All right, some nice. Mac Weldon, sorry. I don't know why I haven't been looking for coats either. But, 22, man. 22. It's actually, I was expecting it to be worse, to be honest. 22, it's funny because everyone's bearish right now, but the fear and greed index is not reflecting the same amount that was last summer. Last summer was like the death of all, right? Everything was ending last summer. Everything was over. But we're still higher than that. And every influencer is bearish right now. Obviously, besides the perma bulls, which they think long term. I mean, I think long term too. But yeah, that's quite interesting, man. Quite interesting there. 22. It's a flyboard. Something you want to tell us? Those things are red. I wear lifts too for danglers. It's a flyboard. Maybe I need one of those. Only 677 peeps in here. Yeah, we had a miscue, man. We had a miscue earlier on the other stream, where a lot of people probably dropped off earlier. But it's okay, man. I don't care about how many people are in here. The people that are gonna be here are here, and that's what matters to me. But yeah, the Bull said, "Hey, bro, can I get your thoughts on ETH Classic? You think it will be a big player down the road?" ETH Classic, I would say, is a meme pump. Okay, I would say ETH Classic did really, really well last time because Robinhood stopped people from buying Doge, and everyone kind of FOMO'd into ETH Classic. Do I think ETH Classic is a good project long term?
Nope.
Does it mean it can't pump super, super hard again? I think it can. Anything can pump in crypto. It's all about hype, all about momentum. But no, for like an actual project and use case, nah. I'm not a big ETH Classic fan, but I do hold ETH Classic for the inevitable Robinhood pump. You know what I mean? Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, man. I love Ethereum Classic. It's so good. Wait, Crypto Banter said there's... I don't know, man. Where's the yup sound? We don't have the yup sound, unfortunately. Are we in a bear market? Listen, man. I've said this. It's like... You don't know what you're in, man. I mean, you're really just... Look at the last year and a half. I'll say it again. Look at the last year and a half. It's pretty much been a nothing burger at this point. Okay? We've gone up, we've gone down. We've gone up, we've gone down. It's pretty much been a nothing burger. Right? So I don't know what you want to call it. But to me, okay, I mean, Bitcoin's in just one big bull run the last 10 years. Or the last, I guess I could say, 12 years now. Really been one big giant bull run. It doesn't seem like it, but it really has been. But yeah, I mean, this is... You could argue you're in a bear market. I mean, the technical definition of a bear market, yes, you're in a bear market. Technical definition. But in the long run, I mean, you kind of just going sideways, man. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, the technical definition of a bear market, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, you're in a bear market. As far as technical definition. This is a kangaroo market. Creighton said I call it annoying. Yeah. Me too, man. But what I'll say is we might finally be breaking out of that. It might not be the way we all want it to break out. But if we look at it from, let's say, like closes, right, we might finally be making some movements here. All right, as far as closes. We might get our first close below this kind of level here. If we were to take it from wicks, we're still kind of still sitting right at. Like, look at the importance of this level right here, man. You got the 100-week moving average, and you also have this trend line coming up on the weekly time frame. There's so much importance right here at the 100-week moving average. It is so much importance. If this breaks right here, I mean, it probably wouldn't look good, man. I don't want to break the 100-week on a weekly close. I don't want to do that. Historically, that's not been great. Just looking at historically. Do I care? I'm not going to panic sell if we break it. But historically, for short-term price action, that has not been very good. Historically, actually, every time you've broken it, you actually gone to the 200. So right now, it's at 22K. Don't know if we're going there, but historically, that's been the case. But we got to watch that. We got to watch that. We definitely got to watch that, man. Because you're sitting right there. My sword is out, say QM. Yeah, we got to fight at listen, man. Here's what I'll say. Sunday's going to be a big close. I'll tell you guys this right now, though. Sunday is Mother's Day. Okay? I'm not going to be streaming probably Saturday and Sunday this week because Sunday is Mother's Day. I got to go back up to Boston. Take my trip back up to Boston and see the Madre. Where's Clint tonight? Clint is probably drunk, man. I'm just messing around. I don't know if he's actually drunk or not. I'm totally just messing around, guys. Totally just messing around. I don't know if he is. Bounce from here. I love my mother. Need to say we're going to dump. We're going to dump. The Beastie Boys. Oh, man. What are you going to do, guys? What are you going to do? Here's Rodney again. Rodney, I love you, man. You're funny, bro. How does it feel knowing you were wrong and Savvy and Circle Boy was right? Circle Boy. Circle Boy, man. That guy is hilarious. I'd love to just watch that guy's video with you sometime. Yeah, I would love to just play it, but if I play it, I know he's gonna flag it because he's been in here and he's watched my stream before and been in the chat when I was making fun of him. So he'd probably flag it, but I'd love to watch his video like on stream. Savvy would flag it too, you know. Savvy would flag it too. So unfortunately, I can't do that. But I would love to just sit here and watch Savvy's video with you guys and watch Optic Alert's videos with you guys. That would be great. Just kind of sit here. That would be great. I would love to do that. The bull trap was yesterday. Yeah. Let's see what Carl's doing. Has anyone seen Carl? Like, Carl's been MIA. What's Carl been doing, man?
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made a 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link.
We know you like Bybit. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob. Let's see. I'll send my mom some more BTC. There you go, Anderson. Could learn a lot. Optic Art? Yeah, Optic Art. I don't know what he looks like, man. Who knows? Who knows? Who cares? Who cares? I'm not going to judge people, man. But yeah, who knows? I can't picture what he would look like, to be honest. Do that on Twitch and react to it? I probably could do that. We know! I could do that on Twitch. That'd be pretty funny, actually. That would be a funny stream, man. I can do a Twitch stream, okay, and react to react to other crypto videos. That's actually a pretty good idea. That would be pretty funny, man. I would actually genuinely enjoy doing that, especially with you guys. You guys would be hilarious in the chat, just reacting to other crypto videos. Would you guys watch that? Would you guys watch me reacting? Because you guys get all the crypto videos in one and just see me react to it. That would be hilarious. Because I watch them. The last couple days I've been watching more videos. Hilarious. Good idea. Thank you, Anderson. Optic alert. Hell yeah. Rodney would watch it. Doomy would watch it. Skillful would watch it. It's a pretty good idea, man. I'm too old for Twitch. Only reason I wouldn't do it on YouTube because they would get taken down. That's it. Hell yeah. Yeah. I might do that, man. That would be fun. Like I wouldn't just do it to do it, but that would generally be fun. Like I would have a good time doing that. I might do that, man. Thank you for the idea. I'm actually gonna write that down. It's actually a pretty good idea. Because you guys know I like to have fun, and that would be fun for me. Twitch stream other videos. It would just be shorter ones, you know. Our good friend Savvy, Optic Alert, all that stuff. Creighton would watch it. Nice. Too many holders in crypto, great traps. All right. I might do that, man. I might do that. Probably not this week, but maybe starting next week. That'd be a pretty good idea. Thank you. Whoever said that idea, that would be great, man. That would be great. What else we got going on? Not really much. We're kind of just waiting to see what Bitcoin does. What do you guys think Bitcoin's next move is? You think Bitcoin's going to drop or go to the upside here? Like I said, it would make sense for Bitcoin to have a small retrace here. Bitcoin doesn't always make sense, though. As we know, Bitcoin does what it wants, when it wants, how it wants, you know? So we'll find out. But right now, we patiently wait, man. We patiently wait for the next move. Which, in all honesty, I could see either way. But like I said, the hourly stock RSI is oversold. Hourly RSI is oversold. A slight retrace would make some sense. Same thing on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour stocks are bottomed out. Historically, you do get at least a small bounce. But it could just be a small bounce, right? It doesn't have to be a huge bounce here. Move sideways for a month. Go up and down 3. Drop. Upside then 30K. Yeah, I mean, if I had to bet, I would say Bitcoin maybe chops up here for a little bit, right? And then gets one more drop. That's probably what I would say. I mean, I'm just a guy here talking to you guys. What do I know? But that would be my best guess. Small pump to the upside, and then another drop to the downside. Someone said cratering. Nice. Yeah, but week is bearish now. Yeah, the weekly's bearish. The weekly's bearish. If we get a bad weekly close this week, probably wouldn't end very well. Moon said, I feel a capitulation coming. Definitely could happen. Like, I don't know, what would the price point be to break for a capitulation to start? You know? You think Bitcoin is testing breakout in Dump City? Mamba, yes. I think we go a little bit lower at this point. But yeah, what would be the price point you guys think a capitulation would happen? To me, I think if Bitcoin were to break the previous wick low, if Bitcoin were to break 33K, I think that's where you could see the maybe some type of capitulation. Like that's just hypothetical, because then you would be breaking lows, and I don't know, people. You would probably have some people coming in and scoop it up at 29K. But you could see that I could see a dump from like 34 all the way down to 29 pretty quick. Rodney said 29.4. That would make sense. Previous low. 32.5, and then I'll see you in hell. Like, what would be the point where people are just like, screw it, I'm selling? 10K? Interesting. Nuke. Then a nuke, then capitulation. That sounds very, very bad, Jeff. That sounds awful, man. Define capitulation. I would say like a 20% drop. I mean, there's no definition, I guess. I would say like a solid 20% drop. Right now, that would be like Bitcoin dropping to 28K. 20% drop. I don't know if anyone's really expecting a 20% drop. Sock levels? No. We're not eating the sock, bro. I'm not eating the damn sock. We're not going below 20K. I swear, if we wick to 19,999, I will be pissed. Jeff's in a good mood today. There's no reason not to be in a good mood, man. Nothing's changed, bro. If you're a long-term holder and you're not selling, nothing's changed. Doesn't matter if Bitcoin's at 36K or 40K. Doesn't matter. It's the same day as yesterday. For all we know, Bitcoin could be at 40K tomorrow. You know how quickly Bitcoin can just go like that? That's why I don't get stressed over this stuff. Seen it too many times, man. It is what it is. The dirty 30s. Rumor on the street is... Okay. Red pickles. What is 80% from all-time highs? What's 80%? Let's check it out. 80% from all-time highs. Someone tells me that would be right around... Maybe right around 20K. Probably lower than 20K, actually. Yeah, a lot lower than 20K. Let's see. Bring this down a little bit. Let me zoom out a little bit here. 80% from all-time highs. We'd be looking at right around 14K. This would be right at the previous, the June 2019 highs. I don't think we'd drop 80% though. Just my opinion. Take it for what you will. Like I said, if we drop below 20K, I have to eat a sock on stream, man. If we drop below 20K, I have to eat a sock on stream. Once again, if we don't hit all-time highs by the end of this year, I have to shave my head off bald on stream on January 1st, 2023. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Exactly, Infinity. We're going bald, bro. Elon Musk is in here. Bosnian boy said, if Bitcoin holds 20K for 2 days, I will eat a sock too and send you a video. If Bitcoin holds 20K for 2 days, you will eat a sock and send you a video. Bosnian boy, please do. So if Bitcoin doesn't drop, so if Bitcoin doesn't drop below 20K in the next 2 days, you're going to send me a sock video. Bosnian boy, I will hold you to that, and I know you will do it, man. I know you will keep your word. I know you'll keep your word. And below 10K shit. That's so bad, man. Oh, God, bro. Luckily, it's 10K and not 20K. You won't need to shave by then. Facts. I'm going to be gone by then. Below 10K shit. Teju remembers. We're not going to 14K. Raiders are buying the fear as usual. Yeah, they always do, man. They always do. All right, man. I'm going to call it a stream, man. We've been live for, I mean, we obviously did 2 streams, I guess, today. But, no, we've been live for like an hour and a half. So I'm going to get off, guys. We know what we're waiting for. Let's wait for Bitcoin's next move. Tomorrow we're going to do a member stream. Members, or at least members only chat. We'll answer some questions from members and stuff like that. Let's do 9 a.m. 9 a.m. for the members stream tomorrow. 9 a.m. shop. All right, so be there. Anyone else will be able to watch it too. But make sure you guys are there. And, yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow for Bitcoin. See if the stock market affects Bitcoin a little bit. Will the S&P drop more? Will NASDAQ drop more? Let's find out. That's going to be what goes down. All right? Catch you guys later. Don't do anything I want to do. Don't panic sell your crypto. And don't get scared, guys. Don't get scared. We've been through this before. We've been watching this channel forever. We have been through this before. Put a smile on your face. It's all going to be okay, man. It's all going to be okay. I feel like that meme, the cat's like going on fire like this. It's going to be okay. It's over, bro. It is over. Catch you guys later, though. Peace. Have a good night, man. Love you guys. Seriously, guys. Stay up. Put a freaking smile on your face, man. All right? Seriously. Peace out, guys.